I sell like high ticket items, so I sell 3 items of 150 on the same order. And I think, yeah, that's what triggered the MC11. And yeah, when I saw that, like, I always been so afraid of MC11, but like we fixed that like in two days, and I got back to sell pretty easily.
One of the most important things you want to do in eBay dropshipping is upload your tracking number, because you don't want to be in a situation when you get MC011 and you have a ton of problems with tracking numbers. But once you upload in tracking numbers, and as you said, Oliver, the account is managed properly, you're fine.
I'm having issues with Rosdesk, but yeah, I did submit the information. And after I got an email, then I'm back to selling. And after I did submit the information, it took about like 4 or 5 hours to get the account back. So.
What's up, guys? Mark Augustine here, and I know that I haven't posted in a little while. That's for my own personal reasons. I was going really hard, but I'm back posting regularly. I have Oliver on the channel, and as you can see from the title, we're going to talk about MC011. So, Oliver, before I want to get into what I want them to get for the video, you want to introduce yourself really quickly?
Yo guys, I'm Oliver, I'm Canadian, and I do live in Vietnam since a few years now, yeah, and I'm doing dropshipping for a living since almost 6 months now.
Right, so Oliver has been doing dropshipping on eBay from Amazon for 6 months. And Oliver, you want to just share your screen and share your sales, and then just share that for 1 second so they know that like we are currently doing it. This is not something we're talking about in the past. This is not something that you're going to do. You're currently dropshipping full time.
So yeah, you guys, you can see my main account. So in the last 31 days, I generated $18,000 Canadian dollars, and yeah, I want to increase that. As you can see, guys, there's some increase in the recent week, in the past week, and yeah, that's my main account, and I'm working also on 2 agency accounts. And yeah, last week, my second agency, like this, the biggest one agency, got an MC11. Yeah, so
Right, right. And that's
I was pretty
something. So,
surprised.
Oliver, stop sharing your screen for a second.
Yeah.
What I want you guys, whether you're starting dropshipping, whether you're one of those guys on the channel that are like, hey, you're selling too much, you're going to get MC011. MC011 can happen. There's a lot of reasons why it can happen. And we've made videos about that in the past. And I'll put links to that. But the purpose of this video is more about like it's not necessary to be afraid of it, because Oliver and Marty overcame it. But anyway, Oliver, tell us what happened.
Yeah, so I do sell in the US, but I have a French and Canadian account. So I think because of that, my account is weaker. And like in the day that I got an MC11, I sell like high ticket items. So I sell 3 items of 150 on the same order. And I think, yeah, that's what triggered the MC11. And yeah, when I saw that, like, I always been so afraid of MC11, but like we fixed that like in two days, and I got back to sell pretty easily. Like, so yeah, I'm pretty happy that I got one actually, like, because now I know what it is, and like,
And now you don't have to be afraid of it.
yeah, no, I don't have to stress always about MC11. Yeah, it's expensive, but like if you have your tracking number, your account is well managed, you'll get your account back. Like,
Right. I talked to Ronnie on the channel about this before, and we've done this in the past. One of the most important things you want to do in eBay dropshipping is upload your tracking number, because you don't want to be in a situation when you get MC011 and you have a ton of problems with tracking numbers. But once you upload in tracking numbers, and as you said, Oliver, the account is managed properly, you're fine.
yeah, and like I mean, it's not that expensive like to afford like Trackable to any other software to upload tracking, and also like you can avoid a lot of problem like with clients, a lot of clients asking for it, like, and yeah, if you got an MC11, you get your account quick and fast, like.
So guys, if you happen to get MC11, I'll put a link where you could join a group and you could get help with the MC11. But you want to show what happens when you first get the MC11, Oliver?
So yeah, I received that message from eBay, and when I saw that, I was so shook. Like I was pretty happy because in that day I made a lot of sale, and I saw that agency account increase a lot in revenue. And yeah, in the same day I got an MC11, and yeah,
And that's
basically
January 10th. So you got
yeah, January 10th.
MC011 action required. And you get the message, there's like upload a copy of driver's license or government ID, upload a copy of credit card statements, bank statements.
Yeah.
upload documentation and manufacturers' invoices. So you partnered up with, I don't think it's a secret. Marty is the one who does most of our MC11. So you partnered up with
Yeah,
Marty and you got all those things uploaded.
yeah, it took like less than 2 days, and I upload those things on eBay. And yeah, I did to be quick. I wanted to be back on sale, but you're still having sales if you have MC11. But yeah, they do block the payout, so I wanted
Right.
the payout released. So yeah, you can see there also a message from eBay. Your payout are temporarily on hold. And I had a good amount, so yeah, and yeah, I did upload those information that eBay wanted. Basically, they only want to do a verification, like who are you, if you're real, and if you have the actual product. And that's after I submit the document. I'm having issues with Rosdesk, but yeah, I did submit the information. And after I got an email and I'm back to selling, it took like after I did submit the information, it took about like 4 or 5 hours to get the account back. So yeah, it was pretty cool,
Yeah,
pretty fast.
so guys, if you're seeing this video and like you worried about MC11, I'll put a link in the description specifically for MC11. If you have any questions, I'll put a link to Oliver's group. I'll put a link to my calendar if you have any questions. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment in the comment section with any questions that you have. But I'll put links in the description so you guys on YouTube if you want to connect with us directly. All right, guys.
You guys